Imagine a little boy sitting alone in his room, surrounded by stacks of books. Outside, the world is loud. Kids playing, laughing, running around. But inside, this boy is somewhere else. He's flying through galaxies, fighting alien invasions, and dreaming of a future no one else can see yet. That boy's name was Elon Musk. And today, I want to tell you his real childhood story. Not the billionaire version you already know, but the small, surprising, and sometimes painful moments that shaped the man who wants to take us to Mars. Elon was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. He was the oldest of 3 siblings. From a very young age, he was different. Not in a loud, showy way. He was quiet. So quiet that his teachers even tested his hearing because they thought something was wrong. But Elon wasn't ignoring the world. He was lost inside his own head, thinking, imagining, wondering. While other kids played outside, he would sit for hours reading, 10 hours a day sometimes. Books became his best friends. Here's something amazing. Elon had an incredible memory. He could read something once and remember the details for years. He would correct adults when they got facts wrong. People called him a know-it-all. But that deep curiosity was the spark that would one day change the world. But childhood wasn't all wonder and books. Life was hard for young Elon. He was small, shy, and the youngest in his class. He was bullied very badly. One day, a group of boys tricked his best friend and attacked him. They beat him so severely that he ended up in the hospital. His own father couldn't even recognize his swollen face. He carried those scars, inside and out, for a long time. School felt like a battlefield. Home wasn't always easy either after his parents divorced. But even in the pain, Elon found a way forward. Then, when he was about 10 years old, something magical happened. He saw a computer for the first time, and it felt like love at first sight. He begged his father until he got a Commodore VIC-20 computer. It had only 5 kilobytes of memory. Most kids would just play games, but 12-year-old Elon decided to create one. He taught himself programming from a manual. He stayed up for 3 days straight and built a space game called Blastar. He even sold the code to a computer magazine for $500. That moment taught him something powerful. You don't need permission to create. You don't need to be popular. You just need curiosity and the courage to try. Elon's story is not about having an easy start. It's about what you do when life is difficult. He was bullied. He felt alone. His family was complicated. But he never stopped learning. He never stopped dreaming about rockets, computers, and making humanity multiplanetary. So, if you're watching this right now and you feel different, if you love learning English but sometimes feel shy or stuck, if you have big dreams but face challenges every day, remember that quiet boy in Pretoria. Your love for stories, your curiosity, your willingness to keep learning, even when it's hard, these are your superpowers, just like they were for Elon. Start small. Read one story today. Learn one new English word. Build something, even if it's imperfect. Dreams don't care how old you are or where you started. They only care that you never stop reaching for them. If a boy who was beaten and bullied could teach himself to code and one day build rockets, just imagine what you can do. keep listening to stories, keep learning English, and most importantly, keep dreaming. I'll see you in the next story. Until then, stay curious, my friends. Subscribe your channel.